Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So in today's video I will teach you about the general jobs and employment terms in Ethiopia. So general jobs and employment terms in Ethiopia. So this means in Amharic, so the general words or general jobs. So ዋና ዋና ስራዎች ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያሉ ዋና ዋና ስራዎች ያው ዋና ዋና ስራዎች ላይ የምንጠቀማቸውን ቃላቶች እናያለን። So that means the general jobs and employment terms. So the words that are used to call it or to rename general jobs or an employment term. So let's see one by one. So work means or work or job. It means in Amharic sera. So this work or job, it means in Amharic sera. And profession, it means in Amharic muya. Profession, it means in Amharic muya. And employment, it means in Amharic ቅጥር. Employment, it means in Amharic ቅጥር. And employ, it means in Amharic ሰራተኛ. Employ means in Amharic ሰራተኛ. And employer, it means in Amharic አሰሪ. Employer, it means in Amharic አሰሪ. And salary, it means in Amharic ደሞዝ. Salary means in Amharic it is ደሞዝ. So and a salary increase, it means in Amharic ደሞዝ ጭማሪ. Salary increase, it means in Amharic ደሞዝ ጭማሪ. And job seeker, it means in Amharic ስራ ፈላጊ. Job seeker means in Amharic ስራ ፈላጊ. And unemployed person, it means in Amharic ስራ አጥ. Unemployed person, it means in Amharic ስራ አጥ. And employment contract, it means in Amharic ቅጥር ውል. It is a contract. So it is a contract, so employment contract, it means ቅጥር ውል. And experience, it means ልምድ. Experience means ልምድ. Experience means, it means in Amharic ልምድ. And a qualification or competence. It means in Amharic ብቃት. And a skill, it means in Amharic ችሎታ. Skill means in Amharic ችሎታ. And working hours, it means in Amharic ስራ ሰዓት. So and the other one is application and recruitment terms. So there are words used to call or to rename application and recruitment terms. The one is job application. It means in Amharic የስራ ማመልከቻ. Job application means የስራ ማመልከቻ. And application form, it means in Amharic ማመልከቻ ቅጽ. And interview, it means in Amharic ቃለ መጠይቅ. Interview means, it means in Amharic ቃለ መጠይቅ. And selection, it means in Amharic ምርጫ. Selection means in Amharic, it means ምርጫ. It means in Amharic ምርጫ. And placement, it means in Amharic ምደባ. Placement means, it means in Amharic ምደባ. And announcement or vacancy notice. It means in Amharic ማስታወቂያ. And job vacancy, it means in Amharic የስራ ማስታወቂያ. Job vacancy, it means in Amharic የስራ ማስታወቂያ. And recommendation letter, it means in Amharic ምክር ደብዳቤ. Recommendation letter means ምክር ደብዳቤ. And information, it means መረጃ. Information means in Amharic መረጃ. So this is all about the application and recruitment terms, and also about the general jobs and employment terms. So I think it's easy. So if you try, you will be perfect. So read these words and try to call them and try to use them. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and like my video. See you to another video. Bye.